Hello?
I'm crying.
What happened?
I just miss Arrow.
You were just seeing her.
I know, it doesn't make sense.
I think I'm gonna go see my first house viewing.
I mean, that's kind of cool. But this is kind of scary. I don't think I could have picked a worse time to show my before hair. So let me blow dry it, put my makeup on. It's launched. It's launching November 26th at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. I'm freaking out. Like, I'm so excited, but I'm also so nervous that nobody's gonna like it. Like, I love it. Oh my God, that's so cute. It is a wrap on a crazy photo shoot with a toddler. Definitely really cute photos. Definitely really difficult. How do you feel it went?
Really good.
Really good. Well, I wasn't planning on starting today's vlog with crying. Today is the day without my daughter. She is happily with her father, but I don't know why. I don't know why, if it's just me or what, but for some reason it's getting harder and harder for me to have these days without her. Not that it was ever easy, but it's just really hard on my heart. But I did prepare today as a day of self-love for me because I knew it was gonna be a difficult day, and I find changing up my routine completely on these days I don't have my daughter is the best key to success of me not overthinking that she is not with me. I have a hair appointment for some extensions, which by no means having new hair or hair extensions is the key to happiness, but I love the whole team I work with. I don't think I could have picked a worse time to show my before hair. So let me blow dry it, put my makeup on, come back to you, stop crying. We made it. I am done having my little bit of a cry, hopefully. The extensions that I do are by Hairdreams, and they're the nano ones. So they're applied with a specialty gun. And I love this because it is such a time saver. Maybe an hour, depending on how many packs you do. I think I'm probably gonna do like between 6 and 8 packs for a whole head. 18 inches for a more natural look, 20 inches. I had 24 before, and that was just, I feel like, a lot of hair to deal with. And then I got dinner with Jules, and I can't get my shoes off. Wish someone was here to help me. So as I've mentioned, I'm done buying toddler clothes, but a super cute company I'd never heard of before, which I think is called New. And they have like rock and roll vibe stuff. Look at this. Look at this little rock and roll princess dress. Has little skulls on it. So cute. Look at this little bomber jacket. Look at these PJs. Has little matching pants with the little skull design. I love it so much. Oh my God. Look at this. With little matching. Is he the doggy? heard your daddy got you a bagel and cream cheese. You wanna go say hi to your doggy? Your doggy missed you. Because I have such a big workload and such a small amount of time, and I just got back to my parents' house, I do not have that great of a stocked fridge right now, which is why I'm so excited that Grubhub is sponsoring today's video. Grubhub for food delivery. They have so many of my favorite places. And I really just want to treat Arrow and I today. So I'm doing kind of a big order from one of my favorite places, Earth Cafe, which is like such an LA place, but it is so delicious and so healthy. I'm currently trying to plan it all correctly and have it arrive right before her nap so I can kind of get it prepared and then serve her food right away, because when I weaned from breastfeeding, I noticed right at wake up, it's time to eat. We're gonna put Grubhub to the pressure test. This is my estimated time of delivery. It is currently noon right now. Grubhub is super great for getting delivery times right on the dot, which is so important to me because time management is the key to success in my life. But the other thing I love is if for any reason there is a delay in delivery, whether it's treating you right with the delivery time being a little bit off, they do reimburse you $5. They have a price match guarantee, so if you find it cheaper anywhere else, they make it right for you with their Grubhub guarantee. All around, I'm just super impressed with Grubhub because you get the best price, you get delivery time guaranteed, or they make it right for you. If you're looking for easy food at home, on time, I definitely suggest them. Again, link in the description. Hey Logan, I just wanted to update you on, this was my 2-hour time slot to film that video, and I'm assuming I won't receive product in time. So we need to let them know that we need to push the draft date and launch date. Right now, I can film between the hours of 11 to 1:30 on weekdays or Saturdays. You have a little bedhead. Look at you. You look so cute. You eating the pineapple? That one's pineapple. It's a fruit. It's yellow. It is the next day. Arrow is having a yogurt pouch. She just woke up from her first nap. I'm gonna do a quick lunch because I think I'm gonna go see my first house viewing. I'm hoping I can kind of film it and pass it off that like, I just wanna do it so I can remember what it looks like, but I also don't want them to think I'm super weird and not get the place because of it, but I'm gonna try. The place is a cute little 2-bedroom house. I think it's the same square footage as my apartment. It is more expensive, but it has a tiny yard, which if I get a house is my must-have. Okay, let me figure out quick lunch. I have an egg prepped, so I'm just gonna cut this into some slices. Oh, and my finger. Okay, potato salad. Easy. Okay, I'm coming. Let's do some berries. Oh, is there tape on this? Some little berries. Hold on, you can have this berry. This one's washed. There you go. Banana. Oh my god, this is the biggest mess. Would you like everything just on the platter today? So you're saying you're all done? Would you like some water? No. No, you're all done? Okay. We'll have a good snack later, okay? But if you throw in the food is gone. That means you're done, okay? I know you want popsicle, but we can't have popsicle right now, okay? But I'll keep that in mind for later. I feel like this might be a little bit dangerous. You want to get back inside? I can put you back inside. You want to get out? Let's just be a little careful. Yes, you can say hello. Hi. You silly goose. I mean, that's kind of cool, but this is kind of scary. Look at you go. What do you think? Good job. Now, don't get me wrong, I think I think that house could be really cute and kitschy for like the right person, but if you saw the photos I showed, they were like super bright and airy and lots of natural light, and that was just not the vibe of the house whatsoever. And to film, I need that natural good light. Otherwise, I have to set up studio lights and then like arrow climbs on them, and that's gonna be more of a hot mess than living in an apartment. So I'm kind of taking a break from searching a little bit, especially because that house was like the top of my budget and it was technically a guest house. LA is just so expensive, and I see a lot of people whenever I talk about that I'm moving and the rent is so high. There are places in LA where there's cheaper rent, but the point of me like making this big move is to be closer to family, and that is on that is the expensive side of town. So yes, I could go a little bit out of LA, but the pluses of being close to family outweigh that a bit right now. We still have some time. I'm gonna probably resume looking in like a week, so I'll take you along. My mom's gonna come and visit and help me search, so that should be a lot of fun. I'm also today doing my mommy and me photo shoot for the launch. I am so excited. I think I can actually show you what everything looks like in this video, because I think by the time this goes up, it's launched. It's launching November 26th at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. I'm freaking out. Like, I'm so excited, but I'm also so nervous that nobody's gonna like it. Like, I love it, and I just hope everyone else like loves it as much as I do. I am having Arrow's father shoot the photos. He's an amazing photographer, and I just thought it would be easiest for him to be there with our daughter and get the best shots. So let's do this.
Come on. Look inside.
Oh my god, that's so cute.
Wow.
I think it looks so good. A wrap on a crazy photo shoot with a toddler. Definitely really cute photos. Definitely really difficult. How do you feel it went?
Really good.
Really good. Thank you again for shooting the little mommy me launch.
I belong to you.